one thing about me is that I'm going to season the food to perfection, and I do not use any salt, so it's very healthy. Beginning of my vegetarian greens and cabbage. Just stirring it up, trying to get all those seasons all together. Let it come into a bowl, and what's next? After that, they'll be done, and they're gonna be good. So, as you can see, these greens and cabbage are definitely boiling. Yeah, they are almost done as well, you guys. Yep, and just showing more pictures, more video clips of the greens and cabbage, showing you guys that they are tender, just about ready to stop the boiling. Yeah, just stirring them up, showing a little bit. So this was after I washed the meat off. I put it in a pan, seasoned it for perfection, added some onions, bell peppers, and peppers, period, olive oil, and just a few other things. But showings of the pot roast. Well, it's the beef pot roast. Yeah, just have some onions and, a lot of herbs in here. Yeah, with some olive oil as well. And it looks great, even though I didn't cut up the onions all straight, but great. So here it goes again. Now it is out of the oven. It is definitely a well done. This is how we like our food. Look at all the juice and so forth. It's looking scrumptious. So King&QueenKarate had cut the meat and sliced it real well. It was very tender, and can't wait to try it. More, just more. Here's the macaroni and cheese. Yes, baked macaroni and cheese, homemade, of course. It's about 4 cheeses in here. And here it is to our perfection. It is definitely brown on top, and this is how we definitely like our macaroni and cheese. Yes, just have it cooling off. It's just cooling off right now. Just cooling off. Getting ready to go on the plates and inside of our bellies. You know what I mean. Can't wait to bite it. Can't wait to take a bite. Ooh, yes. Final results. Here is the final results,
So
you guys.
I made this plate.
Peace.
I made all of it on this paper plate. And oh, it was so good. He said it was just so good.